The musical notes. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The musical notes. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. I need to learn the musical note. If I want to sing, I need to learn the musical note. They are 7 notes. I'll use my voice to learn how to sing and memorize every note. Sing with me. C, D, F, G, A, B, and C again. C, D, F, G, A, B. Now you can sing the musical notes. Like climbing the stairs, you will go up to get to the top. To climb up the scale, you need to sing high. And from the top, you can come down from high to low. Sing with me. C, D, F, G, A, B, and C again. C, D, F, G, A, B. The musical notes. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The musical notes.